Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be doing a review on this bad boy. I just got it today and I've been waiting for this to try it out and share my thoughts with you guys. So this is why I'm looking a little crazy right now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rose and I hope you guys stay tuned and watch this video and subscribe to my channel and all that good stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to this video. So don't mind the craziness. I did my base and everything off camera just because I really wanted to focus on the eyes for this look, being that we are going to be reviewing and doing a look with this beautiful palette. And please excuse the background noise. I am washing clothes and I have some stuff in my dryer. But yeah, so I have the Huda Beauty Desert Sand. Is it Desert Sand? Desert Dusk, I think. Desert Sand or Desert Dusk. I don't know. I always forget what it's called. But I do have that one, and I never was able to get my hands on the Rose Gold one, the original one, just because every time I try to buy it, it was always sold out. So finally, when they remastered it and came out with new formula and new shades in the palette, I said I need to get my hands on it the day it drops. That's what I did, and now I got it. So we're going to go in with swatches. This little sheet comes in it. Huda is so freaking pretty. And then I love that there is a mirror in it. And then these are the shades here. So we're going to go in with swatching first. So this one is Dubai. This one is Fling. Then we have Trust Fund. I am so far away from this one is Rose Gold. Then we have Pink Diamond. Wow, look at that. We have wrong finger. 24K. And we have Risk, and then Doll Face. Then we have Demore, Blessed, hashtag Blessed, Moon Dust, and then Bubbly. Have Black Truffle. Whoa, it's not bad. We have Suede, Coco, Man Eater. Then we have Man Eater. No, Henna. I said Man Eater. That was Man Eater. Henna, and then Sandalwood here. So these are all the shades. Very pigmented, I must say. So my lids are already prepped with the P. Louise eye base, and I'm gonna take the shade Demore. Now I would say it has some kickback there, which is not a big issue for me at all. So let's see the pigment on these shades and see how they blend. So I'm just taking it, dabbing off any excess, and then patting the color on top before I start blending it out. And I'm gonna just blend this in circular motion just because I want it to be really blown out into the brow bone area. The next, I'm gonna go in with Sandalwood. I really like that color. And that's just calling me. And we're gonna put that right underneath Demure. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. And just kind of warm it up a bit. there we have it. Next, I'm gonna go in with henna, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade on the outer and the inner corner. We're gonna do a halo eye today. I'm gonna do the outer and the inner corner, and then I'm gonna start connecting the two. So I'm gonna take a more smaller tapered brush, and we're gonna start with a little at a time. We're gonna pack first, and then we'll blend. Alright, so now that we have, alright, so this is what we have so far. Now I think I want to go in with Trust Fund, just this shade here. And with my finger, I'm going to press that right in the center of the lid. Just as so. That is so pretty. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with Bless, but I'm gonna use a small brush. It's a small flat brush to go in and highlight the center portion of the eye better. Just like that. Alright, and then with that small little brush, I'm going to take Moon Dust and put that in the inner corner of the eye. Use my finger because I feel like it'll apply better. There you go. Look at that. Yes, honey. And then I'm gonna go in with that black and an angled brush, just because I don't have any black liner with me. Of course I don't. So I'm just gonna run this right on the lash line. That way, when I am when I put my lashes on, it'll blend right in. Alright you guys, so this is the final look here. This is the look that I came up with. I really do like the palette. The colors did blend out amazingly. The swatches were great, even though I don't really judge shadows based on swatches. I base them, I cannot speak today. I base them on how they work on the eyes. So with that being said, I do give this a big thumbs up, just like I gave the other one, the second one that she came out with, the Desert Dusk palette, Desert Sand palette. I can't freaking remember the actual name of that palette. But yes, I do like the palette. I would recommend it. It is pricey. It is 64 bucks. But I do think it is a great palette to have in your kit, especially if you are an aspiring makeup artist, or if you are a makeup artist. I feel like this would be a good palette for like weddings and proms, just because of the really pretty shimmer shades that are in it, and then it has some really good transition shades, and I feel like the pinks would be a good pop of color. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one, but I wanted to kind of do something really quick for you guys. So yeah, if you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. As always, if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. All the products that I used for this look here, I kind of got like a brain fart. All the products that I've used for this look, including the base makeup, I will leave it down below as always in the description section. And to get notified for every video that I do post, hit that bell, that notification bell, that way you get notified every time I upload. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.